how to replace the Vapor Canister Vent Solenoid on your 5.3 liter GM truck. I am Stephen Wimberley, and this is Working with Wimberley. The vapor canister is located underneath the truck, just over the differential. There is one hose that you need to disconnect. Use 2 flathead screwdrivers to release the hose clip. And then pull off the hose. After that, slide the vapor canister off of the mount. There's also an electrical connector that you'll have to remove. Just pull the tab and take it off. For installation, just connect the electrical connector, connect the hose, and slide the vapor canister on the mount. And this job is done. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to the channel, give me a thumbs up, and leave a comment. God bless you all.